All right, guys, today a new case for the Pixel 6 Pro. I do have the cloudy white 6 Pro, and we do have the Pixel 6 Pro case. This color here is soft sage. It also does come in a stormy sky and a light frost, and in a Google Store exclusive, the golden glow that is exclusively at the Google Store. Now, there are cases also available, brand new cases for the Pixel 6 series of phones, all with a slightly different variations of color. This is the case. You can see the packaging here, Pixel 6 Pro case, the branding here on the case. The packaging is very clean, very simple, not much to it, but I do like it. And in the actual case here, you can see does have a matte finish on it, a transparent case here, but we still get that matte finish. Their branding here, which is kind of embossed into the case. Now you can see the cutout here with the raised lip to give you a little protection on that camera. And this is a 30% recycled polycarbonate body on here. So it is plastic, but it is at least 30% recycled. So they are thinking of the environment. Now on the bottom, we do have those cutouts for all of your ports and your speakers. And that is it. Let's just throw it on and check it out. Now, price on this guy is $30, and you can pick it up right now. You can pre-order it right now on the Google Store. So I will leave the link below, and you can see that clean cutout for the camera bump. And you can see here, we do have a slightly raised lip there, a bit of protection there. Now, this is not going to be crazy drop protection. It's going to protect you from scratches. You know, it might fall out of your pocket and it might be okay, but don't expect this to protect from, 5 to 10 feet of drop onto concrete. It's not made for that. This is kind of an accessory for your phone to show off that color, to give you a little different color depending on what case you choose. Now the buttons on the side, the buttons are built into the case, but they are still clickable, a little tactile feel to it. Overall, pretty good feel to it. Now you can see the precise cutouts here on the bottom, very clean for the cutouts, you can see. And I do like the case. Now on the front, we do have a bit of a raised lip just on the top and the bottom. The sides actually are kind of flush with the display. So get yourself a screen protector, guys. You're still going to need to protect your screen. This is not meant for that complete drop protection. So just be aware of that. But overall, very nice case. The Pixel 6 Pro case, again, this is the soft sage color. A very quick video showing off their new cases to go with their new phones. And shout out to Google for sending this to me to review, but not a paid review. You guys will see this and my full review next week. Well, more of a first impressions video, a bunch of videos next week on the Pixel 6 in cloudy white. That's the one that I do have. But that's it, guys. What do you think? Let me know what you think of the brand new cases here for the Pixel 6. I do like it. And again, you can mix and match. You can get a different color. So I have the white phone, but I got the sort of sage or the soft sage color here. There's also a like matte white finish case that you can get if you want to show off that white a little more. This just brings out a little bit more color for the phone, but it's all preference. Let me know. Dope case, simple case, around $30 on their website. I'll drop the link. That's it, guys. I'll be back soon. Peace.